Hey everybody, guess what I have behind this my jacket here? It's the new make that we are going to make. Are you ready for this? Okay, here comes the review. It's a cat toilet for boys and girls. Let me show you what you need. Cardboard box, a ruler, glue, brushes, paint, something to cut with like a knife, a marker, brown tape, plastic bag, you know, one of those shopping bags, and of course you will need cat litter and 2 cats, 1 boy and 1 girl. We have to close up the box. That means we close these flaps. You see the flaps here? You put some glue on you know, these flaps. When it dries, you will end up with a box like this. So the first thing we do is to open up a lid on top so that we can open the thing. I want to make a little handle, you know, for your fingers to reach in and open the lid like that. So it's a little handle here. Leave it to an adult to help you with this. Ma, can you come and help me? Just joking. My mother isn't here. I promise you, she isn't here. Yes, whee. Now you see me, now you don't. We are ready for the next step, and that is to make the openings or the doors for the cats to go into the toilet. To help me out, I have Mr. Plate. Yes, the door goes a little bit closer to the bottom, not in the middle, but a little bit closer here. Yeah. Okay, you got 2 doors for your cats to go inside. I have decided that I would like a window as well on this side. See, now we have a pretty much symmetrical window in the middle of this side of the box. I cut carefully around the circle at first, and hey, it's a hole. Hello! Nice window. Fully finished cut. Now we are ready for taping. So I take off 1 piece at a time, stick it right on the edge, right in the middle, slice with regular intervals, because now I can tape the edges, rub the tape down so that these edges become much stronger and much neater and more beautiful looking. Then I continue all around here, this side, on this edge, that edge, the windows, the holes, and also on the inside. Oh, nice box. Remember these? Hey, I'll use the 2 circles that I just cut out. I'll use the old tape. Then I cut these out like this. We're gonna paint them, 1 blue and 1 pink. Let's look at how we draw the actual boy and girl figures. And I'm using a white pencil. Then I use a coin, a little coin, draw a line around it. So I have the head, straight shoulders like this. You see, having the center line helps us to get everything right, and we round off the ends a bit. We draw on the ears, then we have the tail swinging around up and curves a bit on top. There, and we are ready to paint. Here I use white acrylic paint and a very, very, very fine small brush. And you will have a beautiful cat couple like this. Now, let's stick them on the box. Bit of glue at the bottom here, roughly about there. Now we are ready to decorate the box a little bit with pink and blue colors. We start with a blue circle around the boys' room here. I'll add some decorative spots. Pink on the ladies' side and blue on the boys' side. Now let's get this toilet ready for action. For that we need a plastic bag. We cut it up along the sides so that we end up with a plastic bag like a sheet like this. Fold it in a bit here, nice and neat. Before we add the cat sand. Wow, it's heavy. Ah, oh, nice. I'm gonna cut 2 little cuts here on the side of the box. Oh, yes, okay, yeah. Tying the ribbon. We gotta have an official opening ceremony for our cat toilet. I hereby declare this really wonderful, very modern cat toilet for open. Boys and girls, toilet is ready for some pooping action. Okay, enjoy. Oh, yeah. First, we take an ordinary cat toilet. Then we take an ordinary Christmas toilet paper and tie some string around it so that we can hang it up on the wall.
All right.
Snow! Well, actually, it's just a bit of cotton wool. We'll cover the entire floor. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah. Cat Christmas tree we need. It's just cut out of cardboard and painted green. Easy peasy. Next, some Christmas glitter and holy bling. And Christmas curtains. Smack on some rubber tack and stick it on. Nice. Family portraits on the walls. Good old Uncle Santa. Then we need something to eat. Turkey! We can make that out of a small box. And the cardboard drumsticks we just glue onto the sides. There, now dinner is served. Wonderbaum! If you don't know what it is, Google it. Disco! And then Christmas presents, of course. As many as possible. A bit more snow around in the landscape. Whoa. And Christmas lights. Some here and some there.
Meowie Christmas.
Now, it's Easter, so I want to make a special cat toilet Easter version. So, instead of making the 2 holes in front like last time, you make 2 holes at the back too, and also 1 hole here and 1 hole here. Because once we have 6 holes, we can invite all the pets to come and take a poop into this toilet. You can decorate up the box in cheerful Easter colors, anyhow you like. Now, remember the icons, you know, of the boy and the girl that we hang above the entrance? Well, this time I want to make more, such as hamsters and rodents, Easter chicken, of course, we need the Easter chicken, puppies and small dogs, and not to forget the Easter bunny. Because all of these animals need to go to the loo. Let's stick them on. Here, check out my Easter decoration. Yellow in a curve around, curving around here, adding some colorful dots. The puppy, yay! Bit of glue, sticking it on the chicken. More glue, sticking it on. Nice. Rats and rodents. Bunny, bunny, gorgeous. And finally, the cat, boy and girl. Then we can finish up decorating with the paint. Nice ring around the entrance and some spots. And the girl side. And now it's time for the cat litter. And instead of normal boring cat litter, popcorn! Yes! So we open up this. I always wanted to do this. Hooray! Oh, yes! Beautiful! That'll make our pets really happy. And instead of regular toilet paper, beautiful Easter paper napkins by the princess. So I roll up a few, stuff it in the princess, into the toilet. There. Then of course we need Easter snack from Easter eggs. And what else would we serve but little chocolate animal turds? Now these could be from a puppy, for instance. And bunny droppings. Oh, lovely stuff. And little Easter colored turds. Oh, gorgeous! Matching the toilet perfectly. And who want to be the first one to try the new toilet? If not, my Easter chicken from last year. Wee-hee! You want to go to the toilet?
Yes.
Okay. Go inside there, be a good girl now. I hereby declare this cat toilet for open for all the pets in the whole world. Happy Easter, everybody! Turd. Summer is here, everybody, and it's time to bring the cats to the beach. Yes, because the cats love the beach just like you do. The problem is the toilets. Most beaches does not provide cat toilets. That's why I have decided to make my own beach cat toilet. Then I paint it up in cheerful summer colors. Okay, finished. Look, I got the beach, I got the waves coming in, I got the blue ocean and a clear blue sky with fluffy clouds. Then I've made some toilet signs. This time the cats have invited some friends that need the toilet as well. The shrimp,
Hello.
crab, fish, seagull, starfish of course, and of course one for the cats themselves. Now let's stick them up. They all need to go to the loo. Okay, we are ready for the beach. Let's go. Ah, the beach. On with the sunglasses, my sun hat. Now we need to fill it with sand. Now where do I find sand around here? Oh, right. Okay. And now for some cozy beach fun for my cats. Hey! Oh, beach towel, nice big beach towel, some juice, muffins, and of course we need a Norwegian seagull. Volleyball! And now I have a special surprise for my cats. Okay, this way. Cat hotel with flags from around the world. I hereby declare my cat hotel for open. Here you go, Sir Meowsalot, Kitty Perry, Fluffy Pants, oh ho ho, and Bob. Hey you! Yeah, you! I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. What else? Yeah, you know, punch that subscription button and you'll be seeing a lot more of me. Woo-hoo.